Hello guys, we made these LLM pre-training speedruns. This is the exact AI research they do at OpenAI, DeepMind, Anthropic, and you can put this onto your resume. For this one, we want to get to this loss at the shortest amount of time possible. The data is same, so it doesn't matter that it's train loss. It's easier to measure train loss. I have this pull request, so this compilation time was so problematic. I spent half of the day figuring out how to make the results reproducible because, well, I figured out before we start the training, we need to go a few steps, go through the neural network a few times, so the kernels warm up, so then we don't measure that in our record. I've been trying to do this for 4 hours literally, and then I'm gonna merge. And you see this time is 3 minutes, but if I refresh with the new merge, it's actually gonna be 2 minutes, 4 seconds. And I deleted the previous one because we weren't using compiled kernels. Here we are. But from now on, when you create records, I will just add here. I will not delete the records. So there will be a history. If you go to the repository and you just scroll down, you will see that you just need to clone, install requirements, download data, which is already gonna download what you need. It's always the same data, so that's why we can do just training loss instead of validation loss. And then you can set whichever speedrun you're trying to do. Is it 4.5 or 3.5 loss? You can actually check the full setup instructions here or leaderboards here, or your AI can help you. Here in Utils, you have this reproduce speedrun. I recommend you just put your value here that you're trying to speedrun, so 3.5 loss, for example. But if I move this around, then you can use train LLM. This is also the same, so you just run with this. And you have a flag to specify the value of the loss. And these records are at 4090, but if you have different GPU, it doesn't matter. Just make sure to first measure the current time so you know when you improve it. Try not to change size of the model. So 151 billion parameters. Million, sorry. And usually you would need to make record at least 1 second faster because otherwise it's a bit random. So 1 second around this is the randomness. You're gonna get sometimes 2.2 minus 3 seconds here, etc. So I wanna go here into discussions and I'm gonna create like a bunch of different discussions here. We can chat what we wanna do. In issues, I'm gonna create the tasks for everybody to do. Maybe in projects also, I'm gonna do some things. So we can structure this like a real research lab. And we will do the exact same thing they do at OpenAI here. Later we can expand from LLMs to image video generation, JEPA, reinforcement learning, and then crazy new thing. First of all, I've heard that reinforcement learning reasoning is actually still very early. There is so many things to to improve math and code. And then we may be able to do reinforcement learning reasoning without pre-training. So imagine just giving a bunch of tokens and compute and letting the model completely figure out how to do maths without any pre-training, which would remove the constraints of human knowledge. Pre-training is like a shortcut, but it also puts constraints. It only teaches the model to think in a certain way. It's like AlphaGo and AlphaZero. AlphaGo was trained with some human knowledge as well, but and it's easier to train than AlphaZero because AlphaZero starts from scratch. But then AlphaZero has higher potential to discover things that humans, the way that humans don't think. So imagine LLM just learns how to structure tokens from scratch, to code, to do maths, and it's verifiable. And imagine we also use bytes instead of tokens, that's even more. So we'll see. Maybe research where you give LLM very small set of tokens, like some numbers, and then give some tasks, like 2 plus 3 divided by 5, and then let it just generate tokens randomly and use reinforcement learning without any pre-training to teach it to do maths, and then scale, add complexity later. Because the real reinforcement learning, and maybe the best way neural networks learn, is you don't put in any human knowledge. You just give it environment and compute and let it explore everything from scratch. And then it can come up with completely crazy new things. Anyways, right now we need a better vision and projects of this research. So I'm looking at Model Nano GPT. We can just start re-implementing all of these things, research. I think Norm Yuan actually works better, but it requires a lot of optimization as well. So maybe I'm gonna create some PRs of implementing this, because it's difficult for people to just come here without any PRs, any guidelines, any documentation to know what to do. So maybe I'm just gonna create a bunch of these discussions, projects, issues. But if any of you can help, because this is actually high-level research, so this is something that a lead researcher would do, and this is quite difficult. So if any of you have some ideas and can help me, we're gonna work on these speedruns right now. Later we can expand into images, videos, and stuff. So we need to choose what we're gonna implement, why, what we're gonna try, etc. I think that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you, Novita, for providing compute. Join my school to become AI researcher, link below, and see you in the next video.